You'll remember this simple hardy hole tool that I made a couple of videos back. This is the simple flat-jawed tongue that I started in that video, and I've since completed it. I'm sure this tongue will work very well for what I need it to do. So today I'm going to make another pair of similar tongues. I'm making this tongue for Kim Jensen, a good customer of mine in Denmark. I think the birds in the background are also trying to recognize Kim. It wouldn't be a GS Tongs video without a little anvil movement. When making tongues, you want to think about being able to make repeatable movements. I need to give a very big shout out to John Bean for his most recent, very generous donation to the channel. I thank all the people who help keep this channel moving and grooving through their generosity. Thanks very much. So what I like about my anvil-like object here are the very crisp edges. I didn't ease the edges like I did on this one here, and sometimes I really do want that kind of a tight, crisp edge. If you get a new anvil, yes, easing the edges is a smart thing to do, but I wouldn't ease the edges equally all around. I'd leave some sharper than others. For me, the jaws have a tendency to twist a little bit when doing this operation, but that's easily remedied. So here you can kind of see how the location of the pivot will directly influence how wide the jaws can open. Also, I need to get the jaws and the back ends of the handles more parallel, and I'll do that in this next step. Rather than use my usual 8mm mild steel for the rivet, on this pair I'm going to use 7mm medium carbon. Again, this soon-to-be rivet is 7mm. I decide to shine this baby up a little bit more than I normally do. You can probably hear the blacksmith bird in the background. That bird and the others have been really harassing me a lot of late, so I know that springtime is coming soon. It's like they're telling me, don't forget to stock up on what we like to eat. Being that this is a fine-jawed tongue, I reckon I'll clean this up just a little bit more. I think for fun, I'll just draw some temper colors on the jaws. Really serves no purpose and will go away pretty quickly once you start using it, but what the heck. So there it is. A pretty basic tongue, but it'll work very well. We got a lot more fooling around to do.